Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Papia Art Studio. So today finally that important date has come where I am giving you a tutorial on how to make beautiful sketch design to achieve a lace. In my previous video, I have discussed that if you go and buy a beautiful embroidered high quality laces from the market online or offline, it would be very costly for you, ranging from 800, 1000 to up to 30,000 per meter, depending on the quality, the materials used in the laces. Today we are making a beautiful lace by our own hand, for which I am giving you a number 1 or step 1 tutorial. That's why I will request you to watch the entire video step by step without skipping, with a speed of 1x or 1.25x speed or 1.5x speed, so that we can get the full tutorial without even missing any step. Why today's tutorial is important? Because today I will give you a tutorial on how to sketch beautiful flowers with number 1, symmetry. It should be of regular size. No flower should be big or small, because after embroidery it will not look good. So the flowers or any design should be symmetric or equidistant or equal or regular in size. Second, I will tell you how to sketch those flowers even though if you do not know sketching, because before embroidery you either have to sketch the flowers or get it printed from the market. If you go and get it printed from the market, the price might go up to 400 to 500. But now today you can save money with my tutorial, because I will teach you how to make easy flowers even if you don't know sketching or embroidery, how you can directly sketch the flower over a fabric. Without wasting much time, let's get started. This is a cotton fabric, as you can see, black colored fabric, and this has a self design. As you can see, this is a square design. If you do not have the square design, no problem, you can sketch it, because today's design which I am making would require a regular square design, so that we can achieve a equidistant and a proper regular sized flower. Okay, so this way, if supposing this is a plain fabric without the square, so what you can do is you can kind of measure it with a scale or with a measuring tape. So you can just draw the lines here. I will just give you a brief how to make squares first if the squares are not there. So just kind of take the size first. So say for example this is for 4 inches or 3.5 inches you can take. Supposing you have taken 4 inches, so you have to make 2 dots. Here also you have to make 2 dots. Here also you have to make 2 dots. Okay, then you just have to make 2 lines joining the 2 dots, and then with a size, equal size of, say for example 4 inches, 1, then again 4 inches each, you have to join the lines. You have to just draw the lines and achieve the square. So since this is a self-designed square fabric, I don't have to draw the square anymore. I would be saving time on that. Instead, I will draw the flower easily over the fabric. So friends, in my last tutorial, I explained you how to make a easy rose over a piece of paper or a sketchbook, even though if you are not good in sketching, or you do not know sketching, or you do not know embroidery, or you do not know how to make roses, because rose is considered to be one of the most complicated flowers because of its irregular petals. Still, you can achieve a symmetric, beautiful rose of regular size. The easy tutorial I have given in the last video. If you haven't seen, please have a watch. The link I would give in the description box below this video. So today let's get started. So this is square number 1, square number 2, square number 3, right? I will start with square number 1. So since this is visible, let's start with this. First of all, take a scale and measure up to, this is like 1, 2, 3, 4, around 4 inches. So it's not necessary you have to take it in inches only, you can take it in centimeters also. So this is like 1 centimeter. So I have made a dots of 1 centimeter each, and then I will make a line here, and then here also I will find the center point and I will draw a line. First draw a line with a pencil. Okay, so I have drawn a line with a pencil. Then I will take a white pencil like this. So here the items you require is a scale, a pencil, a compass, a eraser, you can just skip it if required, and then a white drawing or sketching pencil. Then what we will do is, we will insert the pencil in the compass. We have inserted the pencil in the compass, and with the equidistance we will make a circle like this. I am doing it with a pencil initially, then I can make it with a white pencil later on. If you don't have a compass or you do not know how to do a circle using compass, you can take a lid and then get a circle done. So I have achieved a circle here. From the mid size, I am trying to make a flower. So I take a white pencil and there is 4 quadrants as you can see, right? So I will mark a 1 centimeter quadrant here from the center point 1 centimeter. Okay. Here also from the center, this is the center 1 centimeter. From the center 1 centimeter. Okay. Then what I do is I will make a flower like this. This is of a shape of a heart like this. This is over the line so that we get symmetricity over the line like this. This is one petal. Okay. Below this we make another petal which is opposite of this first petal. It's the heart of a, like it looks like a heart but it is actually a petal. Okay. Then we will make a small circle over it, over the heart. So instead of drawing like this, you can make a heart and just another semicircle over the heart, right? We are trying to get a bud. Then we will get the petals done. So here as you can see there is a 1 centimeter line. Here you make another petal. Here also make another petal. Okay. Then from over it draw petal like this. Over it just like that. Even if you are a beginner, you would be able to do this. Okay. And one flower is achieved. Now if you want to make leaves you can, or else you can make a stem whichever way you want to. Okay. So this much I have left as of now, or else you can start making a veil kind of a leaves also like this here. But for now I'm leaving this up to this only. So with a white pencil, how easily you could achieve the flower. Same way you can make it in the other squares also. So I hope you liked this video. I explained you how to make a flower over a fabric directly. So please follow the steps. And if you like this video today, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe to Papia Art Studio with the bell on. And do not forget to comment and hype. You can connect with me at my WhatsApp number, India code 91. My number is 7021667902. If you want to place any embroidery orders or if you want to get a one-to-one personal tutorial. So that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye for now.